Alright, I've been rolling for several miles, and this is what I do. I always stop and get out, pull over to a rest area, and I check my tires as well as I stretch. Yeah, so I'm at a rest area right now. It's quiet, it's peaceful. Way more peaceful than being around you goddamn humans. Just have to do a little check. Also, I come back here and make sure my wings are still open. See that? See, they still open. Make sure when I was pulled, ain't nobody messing with my seal. See, you got a couple other guys out here in gas. They might be resting for the night, but me, I keep it pushing. Ain't going too close to the woods because I don't know what the hell is over there. And from that point, check these fronts, which I know they're good, but it's just part of the routine, you know what I mean? Give me a little stretch in the end. Give me a little stretch. Gotta stay in shape, you know what I'm saying? It's nice and peaceful out here. Nice and peaceful. Time to roll again. Do a little training out here. But I always do me a little stretching between my drives. Stretch a little bit, go out there and check the tires, make sure everything's fine, and back on the road I go.